friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths for Competition. In this video, you will learn a short trick to multiply any two-digit numbers quickly. So let's start. Let us suppose that you have to find T1U1 into T2U2. Here T stands for tens digit and U stands for unit digit. We know that T1U1 can be expressed as 10 times T1 plus U1. And T2U2 can be expressed as 10 times T2 plus U2. Therefore, T1U1 into T2U2 can be expressed as 100 times T1T2 plus 10 times T1U2 plus U1T2 plus U1U2. From the above fact, we can consider three blocks. In block first, you have to write U1, U2. In block second, you have to write T1, U2 plus U1, T2. And in block third, you have to write T1, T2. You can easily remember this with the following diagram. Here is your T1, U1 and T2, U2. First multiply T1 with T2 and write in third block. Then multiply T1 with U2 and U1 with T2. Add these and write in second block. Finally, multiply U1 with U2 and write in first block. Here it is important point to note that block first and second must contains only one digit. If there are more than one digit, then keep the unit digit in the corresponding block and carry over the remaining digit to the next block. Now consider an example. You have to find 32 into 42. Then what you will do? Here is your 32 and 42. First multiply 3 with 4 and you will get 12. Write in third block. Then multiply 3 with 2 and 2 with 4 and you will get 6 plus 8, which is 14, and write in second block. Finally, multiply 2 with 2 and you will get 4 and write it in first block. Considering the remark, in your first block you have 4, in second block you will have 4 and 1 will be carry over to the third block. So 12 plus 1 is 13 and in third block you will have 13 and your final answer is 13, 4, 4. Now consider another example. You have to find 47 into 92. Then what you will do? Here is your 47 and 92. Multiply 4 into 9, you will get 36 and write 36 in third block. Multiply 4 into 2, you will get 8 and 7 into 9, you will get 63. Add 63 plus 8, that is 71, and write it in second block. Finally, multiply 7 with 2, you will get 14. Considering the remark, in first block you will have 4, 1 will be carry over and 71 plus 1 will be 72 and unit digit will be 2, and so you will write 2 in the second block and again 7 will be carry to the third block and 36 plus 7 will be 43 and your answer will be 4324. See also the calculation on the whiteboard. Find 83 into 52, 67 into 47 and comment the answer. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe for more content and leave a comment with your thoughts.